Okay, the first exercise we're gonna do is the elevated tall curls. We're gonna put the foot on the towel. Make sure the heel is off the ground, and let's do them. Go. The heel, Josh, your heel has to be raised. Okay, and then try to curl the toes. Try to curl the toes 50 times. Take a closer look at Lucas's foot. Okay. And Josh's foot. Try to keep the ball of the foot on the floor and curl them. Okay? 50 times. Okay, so after the 50 reps, we're going to switch to the other foot. Okay? Very good. Go, go, touch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, good. That's good. Next exercise is the flyer swing, okay? You're gonna swing your arm like this, and we're gonna do it 25 times. All right, get ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 28. Okay, good. Arms like this, and then we're gonna go down, down, up, up, 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 down, down, up. One more. Down, down, up, up. Okay, good. 15 reps. Next exercise we're gonna do is a 2-leg hyperrock hop. Make sure the heel never touches. Try to stay with a stiff ankle, okay? And let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna try to aim for 45 seconds, okay?
Okay, 40.
Get ready and go. Side to side. Josh, no need to use your arm. Just go side to side. Focus on your foot. Okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. Next exercise we're gonna do is ab circle. Make sure your foot sticks up and lock up your ankle, apply tension, and then you're going to go counterclockwise, clockwise, and then counterclockwise. Okay? This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey. Yeah. Apply tension to your foot, okay? Squeeze. There. Squeeze your foot. Squeeze your foot. It's okay. Keep on going. Keep on going. Circle. 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 Or go backwards. Go backwards. Circle. Go backwards.
My place looks swimming.
Okay, good. Okay, I want to do this for a minute. That's it. Stop. All right. Next exercise is punch as fast as possible. Relax. Punch as fast as possible. Okay. And like if you have 2 kids, they can face each other, and they can compete. The more punches you have, the better. Okay. Okay. Get ready. And go. Faster. 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 10 seconds. Come on. Faster. Lucas, that's not punch. Punch. Okay, stop.
Who did the most?
Next exercise we're going to do is a 1 leg hyper hop. We're just going to do 30 seconds. Okay? So basically, you're going to hop without the heel touching. All right, get ready. And go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, good. Hold on, we're gonna switch legs now. Josh, let's go. Using the other foot. Get ready. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. So we're gonna throw and catch. Okay, clap your hand. Get ready? Go. Catch. If you cannot clap so many times, you clap once. Ay. Malalapo. Okay, good. Once. Good. Once. Good. Once. Good. Good. Left. 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 Okay, good. The next exercise is the jumping jacks. Make sure with hip arc, your heel, for kids, the heel cannot touch. For adults, heel cannot touch either. Try to apply tension. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. In. R. Heel don't touch. Heel don't touch, okay? Heel don't touch. Josh. Go. Sideways. Look at Josh. Look at Lucas. Your leg has to go split and come back. Okay, good. That's the third exercise. The next exercise is a clap underneath the knee. Okay, raise your knee high and clap. Maintain balance. Get ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.